Hey guys, welcome back to another quick lockdown episode with me at the nursery in my garden, basically. Sorry, my voice is a bit hoarse. No, I don't have COVID. I've just been quiet for so long. So today is the first day I've really actually been talking quite a bit. So yeah. What I wanted to do is talk about the little lady behind me blowing in the breeze called Moringa Oleifera. What an incredible plant, especially if you've got this plant in your garden right now. It is an excellent idea to make use of its incredible usefulness. So, what am I talking about? Let's take a look. So let's just take a look. This is Moringa Oleifera, or commonly known as Moringa, and also the tree of life it's been known as. It's native to southern Asia and also Africa, and people have been eating this for a very long time. And if you've followed me on Facebook, you might have seen recently I did a quick little video of me eating these leaves, and this is actually why I've been eating these leaves. This tree is not known as the tree of life for no reason. It is incredibly useful. I've got some notes with me here, but first let me just show you what the flowers look like before we actually go into that. I'm just walking in between some cacti, so I've got to be careful. So these are the flowers right there. It makes these sprays of flowers, tiny little sprays. And then thereafter, immediately, these beans, long pods, will actually develop from here, and they are very long, and you can eat these beans, the pods. You can eat the pods as in stir fry. You can eat the leaves, the stems, the roots. Every single part of this plant is edible. I love eating these soft fern-like leaves. They taste absolutely delicious. It's important to not overcook it because you want all of these minerals and vitamins to actually enter your body. It is a tropical to subtropical plant. It's very tall. You can see this one's quite tall. It's taller than I am. Is cold sensitive in terms of frost. But let's talk about its actual uses. Right, so these are the leaves. Mm. Mm. They are seriously good. Mm. Excuse me, I'm speaking with my mouth full. But this plant literally has got, I've got some notes here, roughly 7 times the amount of vitamin C than oranges, 4 times the amount of calcium as milk does, 2 times the protein found in yogurt, another 4 times the amount of vitamin A that you would find in carrots, and 3 times that of the potassium found in bananas. Now, not only does it taste good, it's also really good for you. So if you've got this plant now, especially in light of this debilitating disease going around that is actually crippling the globe, whether you take it seriously or you don't take it seriously is irrelevant. The reality is that it is a little creature that is going around and wreaking havoc in people's lives. Whether it was conspiracy theorists, people made the virus or they didn't, or whatever, it doesn't matter what you believe in. What I'm actually doing is I'm doing an episode on Moringa Oleifera, and basically what I'm trying to tell you is, if you've got this plant, or they do sell supplements in pharmacies and that sort of thing, so you could get this plant in its supplement form. So you could literally powder the leaves, dry them and powder them, and you could eat it that way. You could eat them raw. You could add them to salads, and they grow very easily from cutting as well. So Moringa Oleifera someone from India just asked me, oh my goodness, are you serious? Is it the same plant? And indeed it was the same plant as what he's got. And this episode is specifically geared for people with autoimmune diseases. So if you've got like a low immune system or something like that, this plant is incredible for you. Obviously, I would say wash whatever you eat before you eat it, because you could have strange things living on plants. I mean, as you would find in normal day-to-day food as well. So yeah, that is moringa. Go get some moringa, and include it in your diet. I hope this helps, and I hope you enjoyed this episode. It's a quick and dirty because I've actually got to be home. I just fed the rabbits and watered my plants, and now I'm going back home again. And if you're out there too, so should you. Catch you in the next episode. Bye for now.